Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to upload videos with data saver on your account on Discord, easy and quick. First click on your profile, now click text in the media, and now uh, here you will find video uploads. Just click data saver, and that's it. That's how to upload videos with data saver on your account on Discord, easy and quick. And that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.